Okay, this is the recap for Monday the 27th. There will be no live trade recording in this one, just because I already posted it. But, so, Monday morning, I had this intermediate low, and I didn't really care, but then we also had this new week opening gap that needs to be filled still this week, probably on FOMC. Maybe today, I don't know. But 9, and we're also right inside of that big 15-minute. We did have this low. We had London low and Asia low right next to the new week opening gap. So as soon as market opened, right here we get a big Judas swing up. We do make a SMT. I believe so, because that's the only reason I took this. Yeah, we made SMT at these highs, and we made a 1 minute gap. And I was like, okay, perfect. If this gets inverted, it doesn't take out this internal low, I will take this. We inverted it right here. I had my stop right there. And I was looking for London mainly, and then new week opening gap. I mean, it was kind of a stretch, but usually we go fill that instantly. And what we end up doing is literally just getting me break even, because I went break even at this low, this internal low, which is kind of unfortunate because it wasn't a 1-to-1, or it was a 1-to-1. I don't know. I was looking for more, and I was pretty confident that we'd hit that, but we do end up hitting that internal low. But we are really, really premium, so I still really wasn't liking longs. I didn't take any trades because it was kind of chopping around a little bit, and this is horrible. So we did have this accumulation zone low. Perfect PDI model. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, chop around, make this low resistance liquidity. And we also make a 5 minute gap. And I don't believe there was an SMT anymore. Yeah, there was no SMT. Their first target was here, and then again all the way down there. Main thing was here. I'd go break even, and then I had my stop loss right above the 50% of this big 15-minute wick, like right there. So this ended up just instantly stopping me out, and then the rest of the day was just straight up. So, I mean, unfortunate, but no news Monday with FOMC. I should have expected that. I should have just taken my break even and went on, but I thought this was a really good trade, so could have been a better close. But yeah, that's Monday's recap. This is today's recap. Tuesday, took this on eval. PA was horrible. Not gonna put it on risk during this stuff. Well, this was actually W also. So I didn't take this, but I would have if I had another eval. Could have bought one, but I didn't. So market opens right here. Yeah, right here. Immediately pump up. Yes, immediately pumps down. Doesn't even take out this high. So we do have SMT at this high. I believe it stays. Yep. NQ keeps going up. I believe we made a 2 minute right there. This wasn't a horrible trade. RR is horrible, so I didn't take this. Whatever. close there. Wait this 15 minute. Once market opened, it immediately that was the candle closure on it. So we did have that, but ES was chopping, so I didn't take it, and it was also inside of this 15-minute already. So I was like, yeah, that's horrible risk reward. I'm not gonna put risk on for that. Good thing I didn't. I waited for a pullback and for us to generate some low resistance liquidity, which we did. ES continued to go lower, and we've just been bull running. So I just wanted a little bit of a pullback. Figured I could get a 1-to-1 at least. Chop, chop, chop. Generate low resistance liquidity. I enter off this candle. It also changes date of delivery. Oops. And also there was close below 30-second, all these 30-second gaps. There's one right here. Could have entered off this first 30-second if you're really confident, which I was not really confident. That's why I didn't even take this on funded accounts. And we come down, and I didn't even go break even, because why? No reason to. And we hit the 15-minute, and that's that. This other trade, I literally just happened to look at the charts when this happened. We still leave London on ES. So I was like, okay, well, it's probably going to get hit today. So we make a 15-minute gap. Make this 15-minute. Pull back into it, wick it out. And then we get, oh yeah, I'm stupid. Third, right here. But price action was horrible today, and I also have my stop right at this body high. So, and then you could go break even here. This low hanging. It's probably be smart. I would have if I actually would have taken this. And yeah, that hit pretty simple, to be honest with you. ES still has not taken London, but yeah, pretty textbook trade. Today was horrible price action. I mean, actually decent price action. A lot of people are complaining. I'd complain myself, but the one trade I took won, and the other, I didn't even paper trade it, just mentally traded it.